project is all about bringing our traditional fishing technology back to our communities after being wrongfully outlawed about 100 years ago. It was an economic system for our people, not so much just a way to feed our communities, but sustain our communities as well.
I'm glad to be here with the youth of our community, doing something that is truly our heritage, truly something that is part of our history, but in a place we call Quinanech, Squeefsa, a place where we have a lot of history and connections, where some of our families lived here in the past.
The Reef net works in multiple components. It's a mechanism that mimics the sea floor with the kelp and the rocks at the bottom, and then it tricks and guides the fish into our net up to the surface.
It's important because it's our culture, and it was our people's way of living back in the day. I think it's pretty important that we revitalize this and keep it alive, keep it going.
To reclaim this work is a part of our healing process, and it serves as a layer of environmental protection for all as we restore this ancestral way of life.
The Squala Swinix, the way of the Squala, it's not a one-person job. It's a community endeavor. Even the fishing gear itself, different families built different parts, and when they came together, they mended that gear into one working piece of fishing gear. And so it was built by families.
We're more of a family than a team. We call it like Squalaqua, which means reef net family.
Learning about the squala and our people, and how we used to be stewards of the land and of the waters. Just coming back to learn about all that kind of stuff is truly empowering to me and our Squalaqua.
For me, I've gained a baseline of knowledge of our reef net technologies, and I feel it's crucial for my handing off to the next generation to hold this knowledge that I'm getting right now.
I've done it previous year, and it's pretty fun learning how to set up the net and learning all the history about it. I've learned a lot this year.
I really feel that we're getting close to being able to catch fish, and I'm sure with just a few adjustments we're going to get there, and we're going to be able to bring food back to our communities and feed our communities.
For the past few years, our net, we weren't able to have it sink down. After doing some modifications on it this year, it was the first time that it actually sunk and how it was like correct form. So that was really amazing to see.
I envision that there's going to be a lot of people than just the few of us doing it, and that's like one of my main goals, is to see more youth being involved with the net.
I just want this program and this knowledge to be shared across our communities, and for our technologies to be used once again the way that they should be.